Welcome to Types of Stages. There's the proscenium or picture frame, the arena or theater in the round, the traverse stage, or the thrust or Elizabethan stage. The proscenium stage is pictured here. The theater in the round is pictured here. The traverse stage is pictured here. And the thrust or Elizabethan stage is pictured here. Parts of the stage. Here you can see the proscenium, the barrel, the border, the cloth, the ground row, built pieces, the wings, the acting area, including upstage, downstage, stage right, and audience right. You can see the setting line, the apron, the auditorium, even the flat and the brace. Areas of the stage are named from the actor's point of view. If you are standing on a stage looking out at the audience, stage right will be to your right and stage left to your left. Upstage is towards the back wall and downstage is closest to the audience. This terminology comes from the days when stages were raked or angled down towards the audience so that everyone standing on the ground could see. Now our theater seating is usually raked instead. The proscenium arch is the vertical frame around the stage. Detailed stage directions include a diagram like the one pictured here. Downstage has right, right center, down center, left center, and left facing the audience. Center stage includes similar markings, as does upstage. Parts of the stage include the apron or forestage. It's the section of the stage floor which projects towards or into the auditorium. In proscenium theaters, the part of the stage in front of the house curtain is called the apron. The arena is a stage where the audience is seated on at least two, normally all four sides of the whole acting area. It's also called theater in the round. An auditorium is the part of the theater accommodating the audience during the performance, and it's sometimes known as the house. Backstage is the part of the stage and theater which is out of the sight of the audience, and it serves as the service area of the theater. The balcony is the upper level in the auditorium, often overhanging the orchestra or mezzanine. Black box is a kind of flexible studio theater where the audience and actors are in the same room, surrounded by black masking. It doesn't necessarily describe the audience layout, which can be easily reconfigured. Box office refers to the front of house area where the audience members can buy tickets. Dressing rooms are rooms containing clothes racks and mirrors in which the actors change into their costumes and apply their makeup. A fire curtain is a flame-proof curtain that rides in the smoke pocket, just upstate of the house curtain. In case of fire, this curtain seals the stage off from the house. A flat is usually a 4 by 8 foot sheet of wood or metal, covered in fabric or thin plywood. It's a basic set piece used to construct walls and create masking. Front of house, or FOH, is every part of the theater in front of the proscenium arch or outside of the backstage area. And this includes the foyer areas open to the general public. The green room is the room closest to the stage for the actors to meet and relax. The house refers to the audience or to the auditorium itself. The house curtain is the main curtain or the grand drape, and it's a permanent fixture in most of the proscenium theaters. It's decorative, usually made of velour, which separates the stage from the audience. The house teaser or grand teaser is the top horizontal, usually stationary, curtain. The orchestra pit is the area housing the orchestra. Typically, it's at the front of the stage. Prop is short for property, includes all furniture and other small objects manipulated by actors. The proscenium arch is the opening in the wall which stands between the stage and the auditorium. A rake stage is a sloping stage raised at the back. Scenery refers to any show-specific construction that's intended to be seen by the audience. The stage is the part of the theater on which the performances happen. The thrust stage is also called three-quarter staging. A trap is a hole in the stage deck, and the wings refer to the area just off stage to the sides of the proscenium arch, often where you find legs, booms, and tabs.